Working long hours, no time to cook? I'll show you super easy, no-fuss weight loss meals you can make in minutes. Perfect for busy people who want to eat healthy and lose weight fast. Don't tell me you're too busy. That's just an excuse. I got here with discipline, standards, and a plan, and that's what I'm giving you today. This isn't about fancy, complicated rubbish. It's about smart, efficient, delicious food that fuels your body and helps you shed pounds. Today, you become a culinary soldier, armed with recipes that are quick, powerful, and effective. Forget what you think you know about diet food. This is food that will actually leave you satisfied and energized. All these meals use easy-to-find ingredients, take 5 minutes or less, and need little or no cooking. Let's get started. No faffing about, no whining. Breakfast, the meal you mess up most. Mornings are hectic, and it's easy to let breakfast slide to the bottom of your priorities. You're rushing, you're tired, and before you know it, you're out the door with nothing in your stomach. You skip it or grab a sugary pastry. Enough! That quick fix leaves you hungry, tired, and craving more sugar by mid-morning. It's a cycle that's hard to break, but there's a better way. Overnight oats is your secret weapon. So simple, anyone can do it. Grab a jar, any jar will do. Add rolled oats, not instant, because you want that hearty texture and slow-release energy. Pour in unsweetened milk or your favorite milk alternative until the oats are just covered. This is where the magic starts, no cooking required. Add a generous scoop of plain Greek yogurt for a creamy texture and a boost of protein to keep you full longer. Toss in a spoonful of chia seeds for fiber and omega-3s. These tiny seeds expand overnight, making your breakfast even more satisfying. Sprinkle in some cinnamon for warmth, a drop of vanilla for sweetness, and a handful of berries, fresh or frozen, whatever you have on hand. You can even add a drizzle of honey or a few nuts for crunch. Stir gently to combine all the goodness, pop the lid on, and place it in the fridge. That's it, no stove, no mess, no stress. While you sleep, the oats soak up the flavors and soften to perfection. The ingredients meld together, creating a creamy, delicious breakfast that's ready when you wake up. In the morning, you have a perfect grab-and-go breakfast waiting for you. No more scrambling or skipping meals, no cooking, no cleaning, no fuss. Your kitchen stays tidy and you save precious time. Just healthy fuel to start your day, packed with fiber, protein, and antioxidants. It's a breakfast that actually works for you. Grab the jar, a spoon, and you're out the door in seconds. No more excuses, no more hunger pangs before lunch. This is how you set yourself up for success. Fueled, focused, and ready to take on the day. It's smart, efficient, and delicious. Get it done. Start your day right and feel the difference every morning. Lunchtime hunger pangs? We've all been there, stuck at your desk, stomach rumbling, and the clock just seems to slow down. You need something quick, but you also want to feel good about what you're eating. This is when you reach for junk. Not anymore. Forget the chips and candy bars that leave you sluggish and unsatisfied. Make a peanut butter banana wrap. Portable, packed with energy, and delicious. It's the perfect solution for busy days when you need real fuel, not just empty calories. Start with a whole wheat tortilla for fiber and slow-release energy. Whole grains help keep your blood sugar steady so you won't crash mid-afternoon. Spread real peanut butter, just peanuts and salt, across the tortilla. Natural peanut butter is full of healthy fats and protein, and it tastes so much better than the processed stuff. Lay a ripe banana near one edge, whole or sliced. Bananas add natural sweetness, potassium, and a creamy texture that pairs perfectly with peanut butter. The combo of protein, healthy fats, and carbs keeps you going. It's a balanced meal that powers your brain and body so you can focus and get more done. Sprinkle chia seeds or crushed walnuts for crunch and omega-3s. These little extras add texture, healthy fats, and even more staying power to your lunch. Maybe a tiny drizzle of honey if you've earned it, don't overdo it. A touch of honey brings a hint of sweetness, but the wrap is already delicious on its own. Fold in the sides, roll it up tightly from the bottom. This keeps all the goodness inside and makes it easy to eat on the go. You want a firm, secure wrap you can eat with one hand. No mess, no fuss, just grab and bite. Wrap it in foil or beeswax and it's ready to go. Toss it in your bag and you've got a healthy lunch wherever you are. Takes 2 minutes to make and keeps you full for hours. Seriously, it's that fast. No cooking, no cleanup, just simple assembly. Beats a soggy shop sandwich any day. You know exactly what's in it and it tastes so much fresher. It's nutritious, delicious, and you made it yourself. There's something satisfying about preparing your own food, even if it's simple. Have some pride in that. You're taking care of yourself, one meal at a time. No more excuses for unhealthy lunches. Quick, easy, and satisfying. Make it your go-to. and feel the difference in your energy and mood every day. When you need a substantial, no-cook lunch that's both nourishing and quick, look no further than the tuna and avocado pita. This is the kind of meal that fuels your afternoon and keeps you feeling good, whether you're at your desk or on the go. Start by draining a can of tuna. Choose one packed in spring water for a lighter option, or olive oil for extra richness and flavor. Tuna is a fantastic source of lean protein, making it ideal for a midday boost. Next, scoop a perfectly ripe avocado into a bowl with the tuna. The creamy avocado not only replaces mayo, but also adds heart-healthy fats and a silky texture that makes every bite satisfying. Squeeze in some fresh lemon or lime juice. This brightens the flavors, keeps the avocado vibrant, and adds a refreshing zing that wakes up your taste buds. Season the mixture with a pinch of salt and a generous crack of black pepper. If you like a little heat, sprinkle in some red pepper flakes for a subtle kick that takes it to the next level. For extra crunch and flavor, add finely chopped red onion or crisp celery. These veggies bring a fresh bite and a pop of color, making your lunch even more appealing. Gently mash everything together with a fork, don't overdo it. Leaving some chunks gives the filling a great texture and makes each mouthful interesting. Grab a whole wheat pita for extra fiber and structure. Whole grains help keep you full longer and add a nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with the filling. Warm the pita slightly in the toaster or microwave, then carefully slice it open to create a pocket. This makes it easy to stuff and even easier to eat on the move. Now generously fill the pita pocket with your tuna avocado mixture. Don't be shy, pack it full for a truly satisfying meal. This is your lunch, make it count. You deserve something fresh, homemade, and delicious, even on your busiest days. The best part? This whole meal comes together in under 5 minutes, so there's no excuse to skip a proper lunch. It's fresh, filling, and so much better than anything you'll find in a plastic box from the store. You know exactly what's in it, and it tastes like real food. With high-quality protein, healthy fats, and plenty of fiber, this pita is a powerhouse lunch. No cooking required, no excuses needed, just smart, simple eating. Whether you're powering through meetings or working on site, this is the kind of meal that keeps you going strong. Make it once, and you'll never want to go back to boring lunches again. That's what a proper lunch should be: quick, wholesome, and truly satisfying. The 2-minute miracle, rotisserie chicken salad. You're tired, tempted to order pizza. Don't. Here's a 2-minute dinner. Use pre-cooked rotisserie chicken, shortcut to flavor and protein. Grab a big bowl, add a handful of salad greens, spinach, rocket, mixed leaves, shred chicken breast, scatter over greens. Add whatever veggies you have, tomatoes, cucumber, bell pepper. The more color, the more nutrients. Make a quick dressing: olive oil, lemon juice, salt, pepper. Shake and drizzle. Toss everything gently to coat. Every bite should have flavor and texture. In minutes you have a healthy, high-protein dinner. No cooking, no waiting. It's fresh, satisfying, and beats any takeaway. Keep it simple, keep it vibrant. This is how you end a busy day right. No more excuses for unhealthy dinners. You're in control. 2 minutes, 1 bowl, real food. That's dinner sorted. Enjoy. The Snack Attack Solution. Protein Yogurt Cup. Afternoon slump? Don't reach for biscuits. Make this instead. Use plain Greek yogurt. Double the protein, keeps you full. Add a scoop of protein powder, vanilla or chocolate. Stir until smooth and creamy. Add a handful of nuts or seeds for crunch and healthy fats. Stir some in, sprinkle a few on top. Add berries, fresh or frozen, for sweetness and antioxidants. It's thick, creamy, and feels like dessert, but it's pure fuel. Satisfies your sweet tooth and keeps you energized. Takes less than 2 minutes to make. No more afternoon crashes. Smart snacking, made easy. Save your progress. Snack smarter. Need a hot meal fast? Microwave egg veggie bowl, done in 2 minutes. Crack 2 eggs into a microwave-safe bowl or mug. Add a splash of milk or water, season with salt and pepper. Whisk well for fluffiness. Toss in any veggies, spinach, peppers, leftover broccoli, even frozen peas. Stir to combine. Microwave on high for 45 seconds, stir, then another 30. 45 seconds until just set. Don't overcook, keep it fluffy. Let it stand a minute. Top with cheese or hot sauce if you like. 1 bowl, 1 fork, hot meal in minutes. High protein, veggie packed, and satisfying. No excuses for skipping meals. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Quick, healthy, and delicious. Try it today. Some days you just want soup. Use a good canned soup as a base, but boost it. Choose a low-sodium, hearty soup, lentil, black bean, minestrone. Pour into a saucepan or microwave bowl. Add protein leftover chicken, chickpeas or white beans. Toss in fresh or frozen veggies, spinach, peas, corn, mixed veg. Heat through until piping hot. Add flavor, squeeze of lemon, fresh herbs, dash of hot sauce. Swirl in Greek yogurt for creaminess and extra protein. In 5 minutes you've got a hearty, nutrient-dense meal. Comfort food made healthy. Keep canned soup and frozen veg on hand. No more excuses for takeaway. Quick, satisfying, and good for you. This is smart eating for busy nights. Upgrade your soup, upgrade your health. 5 minutes to a better meal. Make it a habit. Let's do it again, because this technique is a game changer. Use a different base, black bean soup. Pour into a pot, add leftover ground turkey or beef, or a can of corn. Add chopped bell peppers, onion or fire-roasted corn for depth. See canned soup as a starting point, not a finished product. Boost with cumin, chili powder and a big squeeze of lime. Top with Greek yogurt, shredded cheese, avocado, cilantro or green onions. In 5 minutes you've got a gourmet-level soup. Layers of flavor, texture, and nutrition. No more boring, bland meals. You're the chef. Make it your own. Healthy, filling, and fast. This is how you eat well, even when you're busy. No excuses, just results. Try it tonight. There you have it. Quick, delicious, healthy meals you can make in minutes. Healthy eating is possible even with a busy schedule. 5 minutes of prep can help you lose weight, save money, and feel amazing. The time you spend waiting for takeaway is more than enough to make these dishes. Change your mindset from "I can't" to "I will." Stock your pantry, prep ahead, and take control of your health. Small actions create massive results. Don't let a busy life hold you back. Start today, no more excuses, get in the kitchen and get it done.